Hi, my name is Alex. Today I'd like to give a quick tip on how to install an entry door doorknob on a custom door like this. Let's get to it. To start with, when you purchase an off-shelf entry doorknob, usually it comes with a template that has the hole that is to be driven. So when you paste the template onto the door, you know exactly where to drill the holes. The problem is the custom door, the thickness is usually different than a standard door. The standard door thickness is about a little bit less than 2 inches. However, for this custom door that I made, it is thickness around 2.5 inches. You're gonna have issues. The way I know that is that before installing the doorknob, I made template like this, which has the same thickness of this custom door. And then I trace out with the template and then drill the hole with the hole saw. But then when I installed the doorknob, I realized the depth or the thickness is too thick. And I have to use rather too shallow to decrease the thickness such that it's able to be installed correctly. It is that the template really helped me a lot. By pre-installing the doorknob on this template gave me confidence that I'll be able to do that in the real thing. Finally, if you are interested in knowing how this door was built, check out the video in the link. And also, if you are interested in knowing how this house was built, also check out the link in the description. Thanks, I'll see you in the next one.